This is part 3 of our YouTube Shorts with AI series. In part 1 I showed you the complete setup, how to create shorts using AI tools in under 20 minutes each. In part 2 I showed you the advanced optimization, hooks, titles, hashtags, content formats, and posting consistency. Today in part 3 I am doing something different. I am sharing the real numbers. Real view counts. Real subscriber growth. Real income. After 30 days of running this exact system on a real channel. No exaggeration. No cherry-picked highlights. Just honest results and honest lessons. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell. This is the final part of this series. The channel I ran the experiment on to keep this experiment honest. I ran it on a secondary channel separate from Tech Talk Tech. A brand new channel. 0 subscribers on day 1. 0 existing audience. 0 content history. The niche was AI productivity tips, short punchy tips on using AI tools to save time and make money. Directly in my area of expertise and perfectly suited to the 60-second short format. The production system was exactly what I described in parts 1 and 2. Claude for scripts. 11 Labs for voiceover. CapCut for editing and captions. 1 short per day posted at the same time every morning. 30 days. 30 shorts. 1 completely new channel. The view count results total views across 30 shorts, 142,000 views. That is an average of 4,700 views per short. But averages are misleading here because the distribution was extremely uneven. 5 shorts generated over 10,000 views each. 3 of those broke 20,000. 1 reached 67,000 views on its own. The remaining 25 shorts averaged approximately 2,000 views each. The pattern was clear. The algorithm tested every short with a small initial audience. Most got modest distribution. A handful resonated strongly, high completion rate, high shares, and the algorithm pushed them aggressively. You cannot predict which shorts will break out. You can only produce enough volume to give the algorithm multiple chances to find your winners. The subscriber growth results: starting subscribers, 0. Subscribers after 30 days, 843. Nearly 900 subscribers in 30 days on a brand new channel with 0 promotion outside of the shorts themselves. The subscriber growth was not linear. The first 2 weeks were slow. Approximately 150 new subscribers combined. Week 3 and 4 accelerated dramatically as the algorithm began recognizing the channel as a consistent content source and pushing it to broader audiences. The 67,000 view short alone drove 211 new subscribers in a single day. This is the compounding effect I described in part 2. The algorithm rewards consistency. The income results accelerate significantly in weeks 3 and 4 compared to weeks 1 and 2. YouTube Shorts monetization requires meeting the partner program threshold, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on long-form content, or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. After 30 days, the channel had not yet qualified for the standard partner program. But it had crossed 1 million shorts views in the 30-day period, putting it on track to qualify for shorts monetization within the following 30 days. Estimated month 2 shorts revenue based on current trajectory, between $40 and $80 from ad revenue sharing alone. That sounds modest. But remember, this is a brand new channel. Month 3 at the same growth rate would generate significantly more. And the subscriber base growing past 1,000 unlocks additional monetization options including channel memberships, super chats, and affiliate promotion. The income from shorts alone is not life-changing in month 1. but it builds a platform that enables multiple income streams simultaneously over time. What worked best? 3 things produced the best results consistently. First, counterintuitive opening hooks. Shorts that open by contradicting a common belief consistently outperform shorts that open with a straightforward tip. The contradiction creates a pattern interrupt that stops the scroll more reliably than any other hook type. Second, tight single topic focus. Shorts that covered exactly one idea from start to finish had significantly higher completion rates than shorts that tried to cover multiple points. One idea. One short. Every time. Third, posting at 6 a.m. in the primary audience time zone. Shorts posted at 6 a.m. consistently received more initial views in the first hour than the same content posted at other times. The first hour of distribution matters significantly. What did not work? 2 things underperformed my expectations. Hashtags had almost no measurable impact on view distribution when I compared shorts with hashtags to shorts without. The algorithm appears to categorize content based on script content and viewer behavior rather than hashtag signals. Longer shorts underperformed shorter ones consistently. Shorts between 50 and 60 seconds had lower average completion rates than shorts between 30 and 45 seconds. Tighter and faster consistently beat longer and more detailed. The honest conclusion: can a complete beginner build a meaningful YouTube Shorts channel using AI tools in 30 days? Yes. 843 real subscribers. In 30 days. 142,000 real views. From zero. Using a system anyone can follow. Is it passive income from day one? No, it requires daily posting, weekly script production using Claude, and consistent quality control. The AI handles most of the production. The human handles the strategy and review. Is it worth building as part of a broader content and income strategy? Absolutely yes. A Shorts channel compounds over time. The content you post today continues earning views and subscribers for months. Start today. Post daily. Trust the compounding. And remember, the algorithm rewards those who show up consistently above everyone else. Your complete action plan: watch part 1 for the setup. Watch part 2 for the optimization. Apply this part 3 data to calibrate your expectations realistically. Start your channel today. Post 1 short daily. Evaluate results after 30 days, not after 7. The results are real. The system works. The only variable is whether you start. Which result from this experiment surprised you most? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this series gave you everything you needed to start your own Shorts channel, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.